Okay, so we're filling for second rinse. I'll move the camera in a second when I get it all filled up and stuff. So actually I can probably move it like that. It didn't do a spin, so I'm guessing it's going to do a spin only at the end. And I know if it's the last rinse because it will stop in the middle of the rinse. It will pulse for like 1 second. And it will stop and then it will start filling. It wants some more water again. That's when I know it's the last rinse. If it isn't, I'm just gonna force it to spin because I really don't want to do a third rinse. No, I think it's gonna do a third one, isn't it? I don't want it to do a third rinse. Still wants more water. Oh wow, it still wants more water. Oh god, I have to come back to you when it's fully filled up.